Yes, sir, Mrs. Zeek.
Straight back, straight back.
That bad boy got all over the place that time. I swear to God. Oh, Lord, please forgive me. I'm so sorry. Honest to God, it got all over the place. I wish you could have been in the car opposed to just seeing the video. I have a cramp right now, the left side of my chest and shoulder when the car straightened back up. I still have that cramp. Look at my Rubik's Cube. It was on the driver's side of the rear window in the back. It's right in the middle now, near the third brake light. All right, I'm gonna end this video and drive sane from here on out. I'm gonna go talk to my baby in a few minutes. I love her. I love her. I love her. Just had to get my inspection sticker. Lord have mercy, it expired last year. But that's one less problem in my life now, thank God. And I really don't know what the resistance was for my not getting it done much earlier. But it's done. So far, so good. I'm not sure if I stopped the video or not.